Guys, so we are doing eat and chat today. This how we
Bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bam! My mama.
Sashana, make sure it's truth enough. Sashana, make sure the food, guys. Alright, guys, so see the food them there, oxtail. Jamaican oxtail and Jamaican rice and peas. 3 plates of oxtail, 2 big bowl of beef soup. Sashana, what you say? Red Sashana ready for eat, yeah? Sashana ramping our food. Steve, what you say? You ready for eat?
This first. Then whatever comes.
So guys, we are going to dig in our oxtail here. Can't wait still, you know, because I'm hungry. Hungry. Steve, can't wait, you know. Steve, you hungry?
Sure.
Cho. Jamaican cho. Sash, can't wait. But you can't go from mine to yours.
You think this tastes better than
You didn't want some of the beef soup?
No. You think this tastes better than the mutton, curry mutton? Try to get nicer.
You know, so from me come up here, I eat the curry mutton.
Not on you.
You know, understand,
But
Steve?
you live so long, we'll go there.
Steve, I drink my soup off. Oh, this look like a your soup anyway. Cause this night, you know.
No, fish. No, I know you're one of. Because Joe, you're one of them.
So she know wants my soup.
Breakfast, you know? I will finish this.
Look at me, Todd.
No, we can have some for next session. Oh, shit.
Next one?
For later.
Oh, so this is next later.
You know when you got your bed? Like last night when we didn't feel hungry, now we eat.
I mean, I eat enough at once.
I want to mental you see? Jamaica flavor still tell me about me.
I don't think you remember somewhere, you said all the time. Yeah.
It's a Jamaica flavor. It
Let's talk about family. How much kids would you like to have? What do you think about children? Like how much children I think are suitable?
I think 10 kids.
You can hear us? Guys, are you hearing us? If you're hearing us, yeah?
So guys, if I was to live over life again, I would want 10 kids. I mean, not exaggerate, me not like 10 kids. But when I start having, my only stuck at 1.
So
you know what?
Why you can't have more?
Because the affordability. And I always say when I have a child, I want to can give him everything what me never have, you know? Not to say me never grow up okay. Sorry.
I believe so too. How about you?
Yeah, but like me don't want to give him, make sure I'm alright.
How about you? How much children? How much children?
5.
5. So you have 3 more to go.
No, I'm just
And
I was just doing it too.
We'll take a video too.
Really?
I don't matter.
I pray for
I
one
will
more.
have 2. Hopefully. Because
Two?
I don't know how I'm going to manage that.
When them have this in Jamaica, 2 is better than too many.
2 is better than 2 many, right?
I really want 1, but I don't want the one to be bored by himself without the siblings.
Oh, fine. But if you notice nowadays society, most young people like them and choose career and them and make sure them have certain things before them start having a family.
African afford the family.
Because if you really concerned about making sure your kids grow up nice. And okay, not to say nice, but to have the basic things. You don't wanna have too much where you have to divide it among the kids and one end up if one of them get 2 dumplings go in bed, you can only get 1. And that was the case for me. May I tell you, I enjoy the oxtail from Jamaica Fair, but the only thing I think they should have cook a little more. Because I don't want to break out my teeth. You don't think so? Oh, you don't like when it's sour?
I didn't feel chew the bone, guys.
Yeah, to the one.
I feel it
Because
on the
suck out the
part,
bone.
it's tough.
Yeah, it's tough. It could have cooked somewhere.
I mean, to us, you suck it out.
Yeah, but they don't have a pressure cooker, right?
You must have pressure cooker.
No, but you can't put some meat in a pressure cooker. So in a,
It's good in a well seasoned,
in a restaurant,
but I just that
you can't put say that in a pressure cooker. You have to do it in a big enough pot.
Oh, and put it on flowers.
And a thick enough pot where you can hold the heat, and when you cover it down, you hold the pressure.
But guys, I prefer when the meat is on the bone and the bone is tough rather than the bone is soft and the meat shelly.
Oh, that's what you like.
Yeah.
Me like throw it down to the bone. You don't put have my oxtail bone in my mouth or chew and I suck out every juice out there.
When the bone is thrown down to the one is chicken.
Nice.
Them always have, especially butter up on the grizzle. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
That's why I always have to live by dentist, yeah. And patch up my teeth and I come through all of them tough oxtail bone. You remember one time oxtail? The price was so dear, you know? Now all over here, them stop sell the small one because them have said it too expensive. So the meat when them usually put in a small one, them a put in a large one.
No, but one thing with this Jamaica flavor, when I mean they give you a lot of food. A lot. So that means you can't finish it one time.
You get a lot of food, but the meat remain the same.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you want to number me, yeah. And so, we have food. And the rice and peas, you can taste the coconut milk in it, guys.
You can taste the garlic.
Not the oxtail, right? You want water? Thanks for it.
They must have have food. Look at this.
Funny. I'm saying, I believe it, but you're not good too.
Eat bang? Me I eat bang, me I eat like when me hungry, so me eat. Me just a shove the food in my mouth, so me eat. You guys don't know matter my eating because you know how I be dainty on camera, and you know once them I go so. I want to have a food when they're at the back camera. So we just be the good natural self, yeah? The truth, Sash. You don't believe in that? I'm building that car, honey.
The camera is clean. With the ugly in.
No, but Mario Ariel is mean. For what reason I don't know.
Make sure you say yourself food, yeah? If you try it, you don't stop it. I'm both the better.
I think
I better than boss.
I think I could open up this door.
I will that too.
I will pass it, man.
Guys, in total, how much one of them oxtail?
$16.
Nah, $19.
And I'm 16, yeah.
$16 for large and
No. Remember some going there last night and $19 because we buy last night.
I'm gonna tell them.
This
$16
up
$21, no?
this up $7.
I'm not sure. I'm gonna get the bill. And I get the bill.
And this is what me last night.
I don't know me just 18 now.
Alright, what is
I just yeah, man. Okay, Jamaica flavor. No, they can't sit quite that far, but Jamaica flavor. $74 total. And 3 large oxtail for $54.
Much for one?
And 2 large beef soup for $13.
Much for one large oxtail?
$54 divided by 3.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. But they're not cheap. Not cheap anyway. You go and save face here, not cheap. And this oxtail thing, they must sell it like a delicacy. Well, like them go way out in the wilderness to catch it. You know what? Check time I go to the turkey neck.
You?
No, man, one time I never want turkey neck to eat, but through the Jamaican, them come and style it up and season it up and cook it down with bean and them something nice. You know the price of it. I know stuff like that.
Guys, comment down below in reviews.
Comment down below if you're in New York, what are your favorite restaurants? Jamaican restaurant. Jamaica flavor one of them. Where the next one over there?
Jamaica yard style.
Yeah, Jamaica yard style.
Even if you're in New York, comment in your favorite restaurant down below.
This is smokehouse. You can't tell you it's a smokehouse. So I did it. I think it's closer to. I think it's close to the restaurant. Such the other night.
The yard style?
They're close to they're close. Smokehouse. And good, nice.
Guys, we are very hungry. It's now 5:45 p.m. I didn't even eat breakfast.
Yeah, so we are starving, you know, sorry.
Yeah, we're hungry.
And that's why we are eat so like pig. We don't normally eat, so we are decent people.
But we love you guys
Only
so
when we're
much.
hungry.
We love you guys so much, so we decided to make a video for you. We know we're hungry.
The fish soup that tastes good too, nah. Steve not eat food, you know, that's why.
You know what?
Steve not eat food, that's why me a fly past him and now eat, guys, because him
No, man, we eat food, but
not eat food.
It's like this. We can eat off it all at once.
Try to drink the soup.
Hey, soup first, we should let him.
Try to drink the soup, guys.
First. The soup open the appetite.
Me love soup and me love oxtail. That's my two favorite thing. Why you guys favorite meal? Why your favorite Steve?
Meal? Well, I'll put beef, maybe number one, and then pork. Oh yeah.
You know, I like them too. You like beef and sash?
And chicken.
I love pork.
Me get beef in there, so I'm not even like
Give me that. Give me that beef.
So you go eat it with the
I like beef, man. I like it. And again, I like cow skin, like with beef. Not me, I mean with bean. Put down with bean.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it tastes good.
What?
Fresh
What?
soup.
tastes good, man. I like it too salt. You don't want it for salt?
You want it for no fresh?
No, I'm not going to put too much seasoning in it.
Right.
Because the seasoning can respond my stomach.
To me, this now. I'm coming out and put our coconut milk in it.
Yeah.
The restaurant, come like a beer yard. I beer yard working at the restaurant.
Yeah, be a Jamaican.
And it's like them ship them Caesar right from Jamaica. You ever buy the Jamaican Caesar them up here? Nice supermarkets and them not have a flavor like when the real Jamaica, you know? You don't get the same. You know, them flavor, them Caesar coming like it come from yard.
Guys, the food is worth it.
You're right, the money, me not lie. Alright. So, 18 and 18. I'm 36. So Steve more right than you, Sash.
Yeah.
I trade them off for $54.
I remember I'm gonna go buy the 2 full lots and then I come back out with, you give me 40 something, right?
Guys, my belly's
I
full.
couldn't buy it.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, my belly's full. Can't eat no more.
Me? I guess you know what? Take two.
Remember one time we did Jamaica? And me go bush. What is that me about 12, 13? And we go bush with my auntie. And my auntie,
Come on.
my auntie cook, you know them big old cursing pan, I don't know. Those are you guys who like, excuse, I would say 30 and up. We go up on the farm and we auntie cooking at the cursing pan. And we eat because we don't want to throw away the food and we know say after we eat, a time to throw away the rest we left. And we eat and we one of our cousins say, come make a roll, make us go up on the hill and roll. That way the food can roll in our belly. You ever hear that yet, Steve?
Only country people come up with some,
That's it.
you know, some crazy idea or whatever.
The food can roll in our belly, that way we make more space. Jesus! That's what the wicked to ourselves because we eat till our belly basically a pulp, the way our stomach swell. And we try roll to shake down the food. That's our experience. So right now I'm an adult, anytime me eat and my belly full, me stop. Not force no food. And right now I eat too much, that's why my gutter get big. Yeah? You people them joke. Not joke. I say my belly. That's to see what I put on me Steve's belly there.
Guys, remember this? Good. So just to top it off.
The Spitfire, I put on me, I may join him, you can get one for me.
I want realize me open it, leave it up on the counter, and I realize me have it. So me just look at the seat right now.
So no more in the night fridge.
No, I think I lost one day.
Well guys, Steve drink 6 of them in one day. That's why I'm not left no space to eat the food. You can't taste something. Animal broke me in it too. But the other one alone me drink. The Dragon Spitfire, cause it tastes nice and it don't have no. You have alcohol like me?
I don't know about alcohol, but this maybe will be less than the Guinness.
Right, so this is less. Cause me, you know, me drink, oh this is 9.6. Oh no. I know the alcohol that are the amount. Oh, it's 7.5% alcohol. And it don't taste like it because it have the sweet taste, you know. I remember back in the days my mother used to use these and make strong back. I mean, true Jamaican, you know that. Strong back where you boil up the baba root and the one strong back roots where you pick from the ground. And then she mix it with the dragon and she mix it with the condensed milk. I tell you, mama, you know, and nutmeg and vanilla and supplement. She always put a supplement in it. She not give enough fight going on. But I tell her, so when she give a little man, hallelujah. She think it too strong for her, so she never give no worry.
Daddy, do you love it?
Everybody love it. It's nice and ball.
You want to try to keep it up?
She not give no chance. She throw it in the jug and she throw her, give her a little liquor. That's it.
She drink her fat?
Mm-hmm. As she an adult, she is strong up. Maybe that's why my mother works so hard, you know? Even till today, she has 70 odd. And she still at work. She out in the farm and do everything. You can't tell her if it's stop because that's what she like. So guys, thanks for joining us with our mukbang. Steve, what you say to the people then?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch some TV now.
But when you eat, you have to stand up, you know, you have to go lie down.
Well, right now, most people feel sleepy, belly full. What's
And that niggeritis at worst is.
Shit, a long time I hear anybody say that, you know, niggeritis.
And niggeritis at worst.
No, cooleritis.
My belly full. Sasha, now what you have to say to me? S&M family.
I food missing on my teeth.
Food nice guy. I'm not telling you.
Guys,
The bowl of ketchup in our tea.
this, you know, it's a 10.
What am I putting in?
You know,
Real,
it's a 10.
real,
Tastes
real.
good.
So guys, if you're in New York, check out Jamaica flavor. I not promote for them, but I give them peps because them really take pride in the way them season up them
We're
food.
not even in a restaurant for 5 minutes and we'll get you.
I think